Classic fashion apparels, where a touch changes everything. At Classic Fashion, every touch creates impact. Beyond manufacturing, we are committed to uplifting communities, nurturing the environment, and shaping a better future for Jordan. In a land where the desert meets determination, we planted hope. Through our tree planting initiative, we work together to create greener spaces and a healthier future for Jordan. We believe change begins with awareness. Our HSE sessions across local schools empower young minds with knowledge about health, safety, and environmental care, building a stronger and more responsible community. Empowerment is at the heart of our mission. By donating sewing machines and fabric to beneficiary charities, we help individuals develop skills, create income, and build independent, sustainable futures. Our CSR mission reflects one belief: a touch changes everything.